to destination, which is very quickly down from the last one. We are going to Dorthys Blueberry Patch, 1031 Mount Olive Church Road, Rollsburg, West Virginia. Offers a no-spray, you-pick blueberry and raspberry farm with homemade jams and jellies available. A narrow but decent road. Looks like it was recently graded and stoned. We have a 0.7 mile to go. 0.4 mile to destination.
Blueberry Hills.
You think we're at the right place? See blueberry bushes and a parking area.
There's a sign down at Route 50.
Yeah, there's down there, yeah, but we didn't know.
I guess the GPS was taking us up that way.
Oh,
Okay.
Yeah, and I put it down on Route 50, then I got blueberries. A sign up here at the top of the road said
Right.
blueberry. Yeah.
So is there another address up the road where, like the GPS, or is GPS just wrong?
Well, no, there's 2 miles. There's another house, but it has nothing to do with 1031. Mine's 1031 Mount Olive, and normally GPS is pretty good. And it's even, I'm on Google Maps with Dorothy's Blueberry Patch. If you type in Dorothy's Blueberry Patch, Rollsburg, it'll come up on Google Maps, and it even shows pictures and a couple pictures of
Just want to make sure
the
we're...
jams and jellies. You're
She was in
right.
doubt, and I said, this has to be the place we're
Yeah,
going.
you're right.
We
I'm
turned
glad you
around
didn't
right
go
there.
on, because for 2 miles it's really
Well,
rough.
it looked like it got...
Yeah, it was telling us like
Hadn't been
0.3 miles, so, or maybe 0.2, I don't know.
You don't always pay attention to the GPS.
That's right.
They're liars sometimes. But they do really remarkable well a lot of times.
So how did you do with people today and yesterday?
Yesterday was amazing. It was just unbelievable to people here yesterday.
Good.
But it was a little bit later, so it's a little bit early. Good morning. Hey, you all here for the farm crawl? Would you like to pick berries, or?
A little of both, yeah.
All right, well come over and put your John Henry down.
So you have...
We'll give you some buckets, and you can venture up there and there and look around and pick berries, and don't be afraid to wade in the bush. There's a lot of berries inside the bushes. I admit they are too tall.
So you make your jellies and jams?
All my jams and jellies are made from my own berries. No spray on none of my berries. Blueberries or my strawberries, raspberries, or...
And how long does your season usually run up to? Like it started like a month ago?
June the 28th I opened up for blueberries.
And then how long does it last?
I'll have berries for the whole month of July and possibly some in August, but August is always depending on the weather. Available, and I'm just getting a few pints a day now, but in a couple of weeks I'll have them by the gallons, and I do pick them and I sell them by the gallons.
Right.
And they are $50 a gallon, I pick them.
Okay.
Yes.
Can we go look through the...
Okay. Well, let's pick some.
Well, get your bucket, sir.
Put your name down here, and we'll get you a bucket, and you can walk up through the orchard and pick. And as you go along the fence line here, you'll see my red raspberries. You can look over in my red raspberries. And I have black raspberries too, but they're done for this year.
Okay.
That little patch, I got 20 gallon off of it.
How has the dry season affected you? Or has it?
It hasn't yet at all. And I'd rather see it, if it's being this hot, I'd rather see it not rain for the blueberries. Because when it rains and hot, it makes the blueberries...
I'll let him just do the
they
picking.
soften on the bush, and it makes it where the berries gets too soft.
Yeah,
But
so
if
you
it's
don't
just
have to
hot,
water them, huh?
It doesn't affect them as much. So rain, I've had enough rain. Seemed like earlier there. I mean, it's been dry for a few days, but it hasn't been real bad. Yeah.
Okay. Well, thank you.
Yep. Thank you.
Yep. And we're supposed to have some rain coming.
You say you have honey?
Honey is my son's, and he has over 200 hives, and it's RNA honey. And eventually he wants to get on the farm crawl.
So how many years have you been on the farm crawl?
This is my first year.
Nice. And how did you find out how to get on the farm crawl? Or like, did they invite you, or you?
One of my berry customers told me about it a couple years ago, but I couldn't really get no information about it. I didn't know who to contact. And then Dora's Peppers down here on Route 50, she gave me the contact number.
Oh.
So then I got signed up.
Okay.
That's how I got on it.
This is our first year for the farm crawl, and it's awesome. So,
Oh, what company are you?
I am Jill Garbart is my name. I live in Kingwood, West Virginia, and we have our own business, but I just do YouTubes, and so I thought I do a lot of stuff like Preston County, a lot of stuff Kingwood, just a hobby.
Oh, okay.
But it gets the word out, and
Yeah, well,
and if you don't mind being on YouTube, then
yeah, thanks a lot. Was found out about my berry picking.
And there's also an honor pay box. You do it after hours or when you're not here, or
When I'm not here.
when she's not here. So we have our bucket. There's the bucket. And we're going to enter into the gates to go pick some blueberries. These are big blueberry bushes. Green are not ripe. Find purple ones. She has some blackberry bushes. There's a bunch that have fallen to the ground. It's like a fenced-in area with bushes, grass. And we're on top of the mountain. The raspberry, blackberry patches. She said the raspberries are done. Ones have fallen to the ground. They have tree, or they grow on a tree, but they're called a blueberry bush. It's like sticks. Lots and lots of bushes. There's a lot of bugs flying around too. We got bug spray at the last stop. That helped. She offered bug spray too. Here's her other part of her garden. Not part of the picked blueberry. Just found an outhouse. Says please wash hands. She said that when she was not able to be here every day or had to be somewhere else, it was hard to get everything picked. I can't imagine picking all of these by yourself. So she came up with the idea of a U-pick. She put the buckets up by the edge of the road and has a pay box where people can come pick it, and it sure helped her out a lot. This is how many we were able to pick. Done, and going to pick some jams or jellies and pay. We're done picking berries. On our way out. We got very busy while we were here. Lots of pickers. The flower garden down below. We're on our way out. On to the next destination. A rock at the edge of the driveway. Blueberry Hill. Now to head down the hill. Going to Reedsville next. The Farm Crawl sign. Mount Olive Church Road. Across from Cheat River. This is Cool Springs, just outside of Rollsburg. It's a very popular place. Great foot-long hot dogs, french fries, produce, farm tractors and stuff to the side. Quite the windy road to our next destination. Up a mountain. Laurel Mountain, 2,602 feet elevation. Laurel Mountain we're going up. Thanks for letting me share my adventures with you.